In today's video, I will show you how to claim an invite reward in the Worldcoin app. The process is very quick and easy, so make sure to follow along. First, open the World app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon to open settings. After entering the settings menu, scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you will see an option that says redeem invite, and go ahead and tap on it. And next, the app will ask you to enter an invitation code. Simply paste or type in the invite code you received and confirm it to claim your reward. Once the code is accepted, your reward will be added to your account. And if you don't see the redeem invite option, that means the invite reward feature is not available in your region. So if the option is visible, then you are good to go and you can successfully redeem the invite reward. And that's how you claimed an invite reward in the Worldcoin app. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.